So this will be my first video doing a review on a product, and I just received this wonderful package. So the hype is there. I got it. You've seen it all over social media, and I decided to give it a try. So I will be reviewing right now the arrival of the product. It came pretty fast. I believe about 4 or 5 days. I received it. It came with really nice package, ribbon. Let's get to it. It kind of looks like a really cute designer shoebox. So yeah, I know that I never do this. I never do my own hair. I always go to the salon. I'm not a cosmetologist. I don't know about application, but this offers me something that I can work with. I don't have to glue. I don't have to do anything. I just put it in. It's glueless. Oh. Enjoy your hair from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. Thank you. So it has a nice little welcome gift, and in the package, put all my little hair related accessories in here. It comes with a little clip. Love me. You see it, those girls wearing it. I probably won't use that, but oh, this is cute. It got a little scarf, and you know what the scarf is for. When you need to lay it down, you tie it here really tight so that it's laid, right? Slayer weave. It comes with overall, I'm very excited. I'm very happy with the arrival of my package. I'm very happy with everything it came with, the gifts. Well worth the money spent, guys. So excitement in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, yeah. It's so soft. The hair. Oh my god. So soft. So I like to smell. I like to smell my hair pieces. I'm really not the type to wear wigs. I usually wear hair extensions, but hey, the quarantine times, desperate times calls for like desperate measures, and this is one of them. But yeah, overall, oh my god. It smells good. It's sewn in right. Matches a little better. So kudos to the lace. I'm really looking forward to putting this on. Yeah. So again, I'm not a cosmetologist, so I will not be demonstrating how to apply this, but I will post final results and what I think of it, and or maybe not.
Probably
because, again,
not.
I'm not a hairstylist, so I would say 5 stars out of 5 for as advertised. The softness and thickness of the hair, like it feels like 4.5 bundles. So I'm I'm really really happy about that. Also, the other accessories that came with it, that's a big plus. And yeah, the speed of which it came, that's a double, triple plus. And don't forget the free gifts, the iron, can't beat it. So I would say try it out. Hope you like it. And thanks for watching my review.